Good morning, boys. Good morning. Hey, Mart. Hi. Hi. Marty? He goes, just bring my food, Mom. All right, let me get you guys settled. Hi, everybody. Happy to see you this morning. I took Gray some chicken real quick and told her I'd be back. Figured it'd be nice to go in there just one time and not have to shove something in her eye or down her throat. See, the guys come up with these seeds, I think they're seeds, in their fur all the time that are kind of pokey and sticky. But that's not, it's way too thin for that thing that was in Gray's eye. And I don't know what plant that is that's doing that to the boys. Or I would probably try to remove it, but it may not be in my yard. It might be. Hi, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Did I scare you? Let me lead with the other hand. There you go. There's Mama. It's just Mama. You enjoy that chicken. I made the chicken last night. Was deboning it at 10:30 in the kitchen. I took Grace some right away. She was so happy. That's all I gave her this morning was chicken. Let her have what she likes. It's not bad out here at all. It's not windy. So it makes the 40-degree temps pretty tolerable today. Don says we're going to try to take down the outside wreaths and the little lighted tree and stuff. I'm good with that. I'll swap out the flags, and the driveway's good, but the cul-de-sac up there, I need to blow it. So while Don's futzing with the reeves, I'll probably be out in the cul-de-sac. No sense going any place too creative today to walk since it's not sunny and pretty. Panther's here and he's got his chicken he's eating. You know, him and Gray are not super buddy-buddy. They hang in the same area, but they never sleep in the same chair. Not like Gray and Tux. Gray and Tux have slept on top of each other before. Mostly Gray on top of him. So I think he's doing okay. I don't think he's missing her too bad. Not today probably, but maybe tomorrow I'll bring Tux in to see Gray. See if she's up to seeing him for a minute. As long as he doesn't try to lick her eye, I'll watch closely. Hi, Stripey. Hi. Hi. I'm going to put out all fresh towels out here this morning. I'm doing a load of cat stuff. Hi, buddy. It's all ready to go. It's all nice and fresh. Dusty's happy this morning. I'll be back to see you, buddy. In the morning, I put the food at the back to begin with so I can clean up at the front. And then, you know, I move the food back to the front when I'm done cleaning. Not the best clean job ever, but good enough for now. You don't ever want to let the cat litter get wet. Even Dawn feels compassion for her. She's been good. She likes to kind of hide in the corner. I removed one of the beds that had rougher fabric. So this is really super soft as she rubs her face up in there. She's trying to hide her little face.
Yeah, she knows what we're doing.
She's been a good girl, though. She really, all things considered, for giving medication to a cat, I would rate her excellent. I come out the door, and many a times he runs right over like that. It's so sweet. That's Marty. Tux is over here in his chair sleeping. Come here, Mart. Come up high in the other chair so I can rub on you and not hurt my back, okay? There's a free chair. I'll help him. We're walking a little later today at my request because it's community day for Pokemon Go, and we're going to work a little bit to put away the outside Christmas things and then go. It's about 1 p.m. Thank you for helping me get it down. At least the weather's not bad.
Yeah, it's not bad at all.
It's reasonable today.
Oh, okay.
And I do appreciate the help.
Yeah, well, if I could just remember how I do things, then it would be easier on me.
Sure.
But I can't remember.
Oops. I'll get them. Hey, Donnie.
Hey, it's beautiful. Wow, I'm glad those weather guys missed this one. They said, oh, it's going to be all yucky this weekend. It ain't going to rain till Sunday, but it's going to be cloudy. And
yeah. Well, we waited the right time to come on our walk because we could have walked this morning in the clouds and 40s, and now it's sunny and 50s. So.
Oh, yeah.
Don's perked up. He's got his chores done, and it's close to time for me to cook.
Pile up time. Getting really close to piling up time.
All these cars this time of day on a Saturday makes sense. This is basketball going on in the community center. There's 2 courts. I guess 4 if it's little kids. They can have several games going on. What is it? Sugar wafer. Oh, and pink colored sugar wafers, no less.
Yeah, I love this. They give it to you in the entire bag. 57 grams of carbohydrates.
Oh my God.
And well, you'll be glad to know that it's 15 grams of fat, so it's only like 5 to 4 to 1.
Yeah, but it's probably GMO.
I've got 2 grams of protein in the whole bag.
We walk this way a bit extra to see the Mach-E. I'm thinking the X means it's the sportier one. Not 100% sure. I was noticing the brake caliper and like the 2 metal wires. It's not showy.
So we're coming over here to look at it, but I could tell that was a Tesla from the other side of the parking lot because it backed in.
If the truth fits, wear it. Yeah. It really is incredibly easy to see to back in and harder to tell where you're going if you pull in. I told Johnny again the other night, the one thing that I really want them to do to my Tesla is add a low front camera. There's a couple other things I'd like them to do. But it's performance and it has a red T. Black interior. You got somebody coming up behind you, slowpoke. Crystal is trying to tell if I've... Oh, they have a doggy that had a little dog thing in the back. Tia Mia. I have not seen this Model 3 before. New York Yankees. Go Reggie Jackson. So this car pulled up while we were on the far side of the track. Here, Red Y. Yeah. We just come to the park, Don, to see all the pretty Teslas.
Right, that's what we're up here.
Just saying, you'd be surprised how far a permanent marker will go until you can get over to Rim Guard and have them fix the wheel for, you know, the right way. One of Don's pro tips.
Yeah, pro tip is black permanent Sharpie.
Well, it helps if the wheel is black, but
right.
I know for a fact that they make various shades of silver also. If you're creative and you look around and buy one of the bigger packs of the official permanent markers. We're done with our walk. We got our 2.6 miles and we're over an hour, so
yeah,
I'm gonna let him leave now.
She's happy.
Don will be too once he gets some food in him.
Well, this is the valve. I went on and took it out because the water pressure was really low. We had plenty of hot water. It was plenty hot, but this valve is obviously stuck half open, half closed, or it's not flowing correctly. So I went on and took it off. And I just took the braided steel. This is the hot water output side. I went on and just screwed it in there. And we're good to go. The water's back on. She should have not only plenty of hot water, but plenty of volume tonight.
Don's dinner tonight is scallops and butter with a side of bacon, and then I've got a bone-in ribeye steak for him. Like I said, you had a bone-in ribeye steak.
Yeah, baby. Woo!